everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you HUMMER H2. I'm going to install the rock light. These are off-road lights. These are individual pod lights which you can put it underneath your HUMMER. I'm going to put it underneath the wheel well. One on this side, couple down here. If you are driving off-road, these are the best rock lights. They are not hard to install it. They are really easy to install it. This is one of the best upgrade you can do for your HUMMER. And it's not only for HUMMER. You can use these lights for any car, any SUV. It's going to look really nice. And without wasting any time, let's get started. These are the LED 8 pod and these are colored rock lights. Inside this box, there are 4 of these boxes. We open, each one contains 2 pods. So if we open these, it comes with the hardware and this is the LED. This is the LED pod and we're going to mount on the rubber pad, and this is how it's going to fit on the body of HUMMER. And then we're going to use these screws. Then this one, like a washer, you put it inside. Then we're going to put the nut, and this one has a Allen wrench socket, so we're going to tighten it, and it's going to sit flush to the body of HUMMER. One thing I wanted to share with you, as I'm going to open the second one, the 2 bolts are bigger size, the 2 are skinny one. You can use either one. If you're using the skinny one, then you need to use this washer. Only one tip I wanted to share with you when you're going to place if you look at the wiring, gonna be like this. So that's no good, because this is the other end. We cannot put through this holes. Either you make the hole bigger, then you can insert the wiring. Easier way I found it, get the cutter, cut this rubber. If you see it's split open. Once it's split open, you put the wiring in, pull it, and then it will sit perfectly fine. So this is how I'm going to use it. These are colored LED pod, and then I have another 10 pieces which are white. It's your personal choice if you want colored or you want a white ones. These white ones comes like this, so has the hardware, but on this one the wiring like this. Run the wiring and you can use it like this. Then you can attach this one to the controller switch, but I'm going to use the colored one. I'm going to lay out on the floor so you will see how it's going to work out. All the wiring. And this is the controller switch, blue to color light controller switch, and we're going to put this one on the body, and this side will go into the red color and this side will go to the power. Let me lay out and then I'll show you. The way I'm going to place under the HUMMER, I just laid out right here. As you can see, this is a roughly design. I just laid out the wiring. So this one going to go on the back, these 2 in the middle, this one in the front. The controller switch will be right in the middle. We're going to plug it in, and the wiring going to go on the battery. That's the front part. These 2 in the middle, 1 on the back. So this is the layout. Now I'm going to go down under the HUMMER and I will install these LED pods. What I did, wheel well, the fender wall. I removed 10mm bolt from here and 1 from here. There are 2 of them. Then 3 screws and push pin, and this one drops down. These LED pods right underneath like this, and then put the screw from top. And I have noticed that there is a cavity right here because there are big bolts coming out. They are sticking out and they make a cavity. So this plastic wall sits against it. I'm going to use the screws, same length, and it's going to come out this much, like 5 threads. And once we're going to put these on, that's going to go into the metal body and that's going to stay there. It's not going to move. I just wanted to show it to you. You can do it this way by opening these 10mm bolts from here, 1 from here. Then removing the screws from here, you can put it into the wall. This can become brittle and it will break. By putting this one straight directly to the body, that is the best way to do it. I put the screws directly into the body. Pod is very strong. So this is the rear tire. I already made a hole. I put the screw in here, tighten it, and this side is also tightened, and it's very solid. It's not going to go nowhere. I'm going to run the wiring like this. We're going to route the wiring. As you see, I jack up the Hummer, put a dead jack. The safety is the #1 priority. So make sure that you place the dead jack, you place the wheel chocks on the back of the tires. And now what I'm going to do, this is the running board, LED part. I'm going to place it right here. And we're going to screw it right into the solid body. This is the body frame. This is the running board, and that's the main running board where this running board is attached to. So I'm going to put it into, not this one, into the next one. So I'm going to place one LED part here, one over there. So this is the metal body. As you've seen, one I install it right there. And this is very solid. To put screws right into the body. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Use the diamond screws, or you can use a drill and make a hole. The first one is a little tough to make hole. Once you made a hole, then it's much easier. This is the LED part. I'm going to put the screw and we're going to tighten it. And now we're going to align it. Once it's aligned, it's much easier to make a hole. So make sure that you wear safety glasses. We're going to tighten the other side. And this is very solid. It's not going to come out anymore. Very solid. I'm going to route these wires actually like this. And I'm going to put a tie wrap. Then I'm going to run a wire right here. And I'm going to run the controller right switch in there. So on the passenger side, on the front wheel, then 2 right on the running board, 1 on the back. The 4 LED pods are installed. And I'm going to install the 4 LED pods on other side. On the driver's side, the same way. The driver's side is done as well. Very solid. And we're going to route the wiring like this. This is on the back tire, and this is how it looks. This is very solid. It's not going to go anywhere. Only thing we need to do, the routing the wires. So I'm done with that one. And this is the one, the last one. And they are solid fit. And I'm going to place the controller switch right in the middle so that we can run wiring right underneath. The easier way is there are so many wirings going around. So the best thing to do, just follow those any wires, and just we're going to put the tie wrap on each one of them. So it's going to be routed nicely. I'm going to test the lights if they are working. Because sometimes what happens is that you plug it everything and one of the parts are not working, and then you have to work all over again. So at this moment what I have done, if you look at all the wirings are the spider webs all over on the floor. As you've seen, all the wires are hanging, all the wires out here are like a spider web. On the battery terminal, I just put a jumper cable and watch. I'm going to test it. Look at the LEDs. That's beautiful. Nice. And they're going to change all those colors. So many colors. We're going to start the Bluetooth, then they're going to start working. So I just wanted to see how they are working. They're looking really nice. That's on the back. That's on the other side. The front working. And if you look at the rail, if you look at now the running boards, they are both working on that side and both working on this side. So as you've seen, the LED pods are working. If we look at right now, it's green, blue, it's all sort of colors, but this will work with our Bluetooth. I'm going to use this cable harness, and I'll list the part number in case if you need one. What I've done it, this is right now I'm just going to plug it temporarily. I'm going to show it to you. This is the Bluetooth controller switch. So I just put temporarily to show it to you how it's going to work. The wiring has the on-off switch. This switch I'm going to run under from here to the dash, and I'm going to make a hole and I'm going to install switch over there. Then this is the 2-wire, the relay switch, and it has fuse which is 30 amp. Put one end on a negative terminal one end on a positive terminal. I made a hole into the body, so I'm going to install the relay switch right here like this. That's where I'm going to pull the wiring, and that's going to go inside the dash. Test it for you how it's going to work. So we're going to put positive, negative, just temporarily testing. And this is the on off switch, and when we're going to turn on off switch, the light will turn it on. Off, on, off, on. So once this one going to be installed on the dashboard, then you can turn it on and turn it off, and all the lights you will control through the Bluetooth. If this video helps you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And for more auto videos, please give me thumbs up and please share. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.